Hi everybody, my name is Neil Cox and I am the president of Captain Shreve High School PTA this year. I just want to welcome all the 8th graders and their families to our drive-through open house, which is this Saturday from 10 to 12. Please make sure you sign up on local levels so we can have your swag bag ready for you when you get here this Saturday. We look forward to seeing all of you here. Welcome to the swamp and go Gators.
I'm Ginger Gustafson, principal at Captain Shreve High School, and I want to welcome you to our fall open house. This year it will be a drive-through, and we're looking forward to seeing you on Saturday, November 14th from 10 to 12. You'll drive through the front circle. You'll see student representatives from our clubs, from our athletics, from our spirit groups. You'll meet administration. You will see all of our coaches and athletics and fields as you drive through Lee Hedges parking lot. Make sure you register on local level so that we can have your t-shirt and bag ready for you. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday, 10 to 12 at Captain Shreve. Let's go Gators.